Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I wanted to do a short yet informative video and show you what it looks like when Google wants to test your article or your blog post against other competitors. So this article was created or was in existence essentially on March 7th. So not even, I would say, a long time by any means. And currently, the average position for this post is position 3.5. The average is not as important because it doesn't reflect the current nature of the article, but this is what we call a very, very low competition keyword. And you could see here, we have the section where it shows the average position of the article in the orange color or the gold color, depending on how you track it, but currently in my it's orange. Okay, and you can see here that there are dots, there are small lines, and then they disappear for a certain set number of days, and then they emerge again, and then they disappear, and then they emerge, and then they disappear, and so on. The reason why this happens is Google is actively testing this query for the specific page. In fact, you could see here, the first time this article existed was for about 2 days, March 8th and March 9th, and then it disappeared for a whole entire day, or 2 days, and then it appeared back on the 11th. Anytime that the article is where there is no orange, so it's an empty orange phase, kind of like here, or here, or here, that means Google takes it off of their Google search algorithm entirely. It doesn't even show up, because it doesn't have a active position. And the reason why this happens is Google is actively testing your site amongst other competitors and how other competitors exist on the platform without your existence and how they compare. And this is not something to be worried about, and this is not something to be frustrated over. If anything, you should probably be satisfied that Google is currently testing your article. Now, why is it important to know that Google is testing your article? Well, it's important to know because some of you might think that there's something wrong that you're doing on your website, or you're harming your website in some kind of way when it disappears off of Google completely. And that's not always the case. With all keywords, Google has its own testing, and its algorithm is very, very detailed and very enhanced to where it can do these kinds of things. So don't freak out by any means, and this is completely normal. And if you're watching this today, you can look into some of your queries, see if the article is appearing on Google, or maybe it's being taken down from Google on certain days. It's perfectly fine, and it's perfectly normal for not only your position to fluctuate, but also the existence of the article to begin with to oscillate between existing and non-existing. Is completely normal, and it does happen on Google, especially with your lower competition keywords that you typically tend to rank higher for. All right, guys, so I just figured I'd show you this because it further just goes to show and just explains that Google is always testing different blog posts. And with that being said, if you want to learn how to build your own blog, head over to Cash Cow Niche Sites. This is the homepage. We have a bunch of different paid products, but go over here, click on the free course, and you can access the free course and learn how to start a blog, the very basics, and get into it and start building your blog for the first time. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye.